Hi, this is Stuart Blumenthal from ETHOSystems, and today I'm going to show you how to log in to Sage Intacct for the very first time. First thing you're going to want to do is go out to the website sageintacct.com, and you're going to get a picture or a website just like this. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Sign In. This takes us into our Sage Intacct sign-in screen here. What you're going to do is you should have all received an email from Sage with three important pieces of information. The first is the company name. The second is going to be your user ID, and the third is going to be the password. Remember, all three of these are case sensitive, including the company ID. So you have to put that in exactly right. What we always recommend is using the good old copy paste to make this a lot easier. So I'm going to go copy over my email, bring this into my company ID here. I'm going to log in as my user, zconfig_user, and I'm going to put in my password that I got from Sage. Once I do that for the very first time, I'm going to get a pop-up message here. It says that's going to ask me, how do you want to sign in? So what Sage Intacct uses is something called dual authentication. So at this point here, I'm going to click on next at this point here, and it's going to ask me, how am I going to authenticate? We always recommend the good old one, and the second you do via text. The authenticator, if you want to use an authenticator app, you can, or if you want to use a phone call, but the text is the easiest. So make sure you have that cell phone right next to you when you do this. I'm going to click on via text. At this point here, it's going to enter my cell phone number, and I'm going to hit send the code. At this point here, I'm going to get a code that's sent to me. Should take about 2 seconds here, and I got it for 39910. Hit verify, and I'm going to hit next. And at this point here, it says asking us for setting up a backup option. Usually leave this alone. If you want to, you can set this up. Otherwise, we can just say skip the sign in, and at that point, you're ready. So now I'm going to go in here. I'm going to put in my username, my company. I'm going to put in my password that I have at this point here, and I'm going to put in my user. Hit sign in, and at this point here, it's going to ask me for that code one more time. Unfortunately, now that we got it to work, now we got to get the code one more time. So I'm going to put that in, hit the good old verify button, and now it's going to ask me for what's my new password. This is where I'm going to put in my new password. Oops, I have to enter the current password. Let me make sure I have that password copied. At this point here, I'm going to put in my new password. Make sure you do put a nice password in there that's nice and strong. And then what is one of your favorite, one of your security questions? I'm going to put my favorite color, put green, and I'm going to hit update. And now it's going to take me into Sage Intacct at that point. So again, just keep in mind that when you log into Sage Intacct, please have your cell phone ready. Make sure you have that password. If you did not get that email with that password, please let us know. And once you get in with the dual authentication, you'll have to get 2 codes sent to you. But by that time, you'll be able to get in. And this is what the system looks like. And we'll be doing more videos on how to get around within Sage Intacct. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.